I'm actually really amazed. I love how the way it's cut. Like, oh my god, I'm literally obsessed with this wig. Like, wow. Hi, Tia here, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing another hair related video. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing plus a actual install as well. So the wig is from Luvmehair and they sent me a gorgeous wig. I haven't actually opened it yet, so I'm going to show you guys the packaging. So this is what it looks like. They sent me such a cute box. It was like a little present for me. So cute. So I'm going to get straight into the video, so I'm going to unbox it now. Okay, so this is what the box looks like and what's inside. So they gave me a little bag that I can put the wig in, and then they gave me a wig cap and a headband. They even gave me a skin band as well, so I can have it glueless, but today I'm actually going to be installing it. So now let's move on to the wig. This is what the wig looks like, and it's so gorgeous. I love the parting and how natural the hairline is. They even got like a little band at the back as well. I feel like that's a really good tool to have in a wig, so if you want to tighten it or have it loosen. So I'm going to tell you guys the information that I have about this wig. So this wig is a 7x6 lace, so it's glueless, so I can't wait to see how like it blends in and everything, see how like the seamless melt. So I can do multiple like parting, so I could do a middle part, I could probably do like an updo and everything, but today I'm going to do like a side part, but they already have a side part in it already, you see here, but I want to put it onto the other side because I want to match it with my nose piercing, of course, because I prefer this side. But anyway, so I'm going to put it on now. Okay, so now I'm actually going to put it on. So I'm going to use the little plastic band they gave me. Okay, so guys, now I'm just going to try to put the elastic band behind more tighter so it fits to my head. So now I'm just trying to readjust it for you guys so you guys can see. Okay, so this is what the side part looks like. I'm actually really amazed. I love how the way it's cut. So it kind of cuts like that, almost like a little bang, little fringe. So I love the way it's cutted. So I love the arch as well, the way it flows down like that, and it gives more type of shape towards the face and everything with this wig. This is literally insane. So this is what it looks like from the top. Now I'm going to show the hairline. So this is what it looks like up close. So I'm going to show you how literally glueless it is. I can literally don't have to actually glue this on, but I am going to install it because I want to style it in obviously the other side. But yeah, this is how it looks. So now you guys saw all the up close and everything, so you don't have to obviously install it. You could actually just have it just like this, glueless, but today I'm going to do like an install and style it how I would normally style it. So mainly I'll do the parting on the other side. Now we are moving to the installing. So I use a lace spray and it's basically like glue. So now I'm just spraying it where my hairline is. And then I move on to using the hairdryer. So I use the hairdryer to literally just dry the bit where I actually sprayed to make it sticky, and then I literally just pull down the lace. So now I'm pulling the wig down where the lace bit is and pressing down the bit where I actually glued it. Also, I almost forgot to tell you guys, I plucked it just a little bit. I still want to keep the fullness, so I just plucked it just a tiny bit. And then I use the end of the comb and push it down more firmly so it stays. I use the comb bit as well to press it down, but it's up to you how you want to do it, but I like to use both tools. Then I move on to using the lace spray again. I literally just spray it on my finger and literally lightly dab it onto the lace, the wig. And then I move on to the hairdryer again. So literally just hair dried it where the bit I have sprayed so it sticks and stays there. And then I put my hair back, and then I use the elastic band they gave me, and I literally just lay on top where I sprayed the lace. So now I literally just leave the lace band for 15 minutes. Now I'm using the foaming spray and it's held in really well with the wig. I love how like I'm putting the foaming spray and like the wig is actually placing down, not going up or like not even getting frizzy. Like it's just layering so perfectly. Now I'm moving on to curling my hair. So I'm literally just using a curling iron and I'm doing obviously the technique, curling it, and then I kind of just leave it for a few seconds. I'm just going to give like a nice soft curls. And also when I'm curling it, I use hairspray so it gives more hold as well. Okay, so now I'm just moving on to a different section to curl my hair. I just want to let you guys know, like, the hair is really silky, so you don't really have to keep the curling iron for too long, just like a few seconds, and literally, like, it just comes out so good. And it's giving what it's supposed to give, like a nice soft curl look. And the hair is really holding with the curls. I love that, because normally when you curl your hair, sometimes the curls actually just fall, like not properly, not even curling it. And I feel like this hair is really doing really well for this curling iron. So now I'm just doing the front pieces, and I leave the curling iron a little bit longer so it has like more shape. And then I move on to using the straightener, and that's when you see the magic's gonna happen. So now I'm just curling it with the straightener, just curling inwards. This is definitely a good technique if you want to curl it with a straightener, especially if you want to do the front pieces. Like, guys, like, look at that. Like, the way it just blended in just like that. So now I'm just quickly combing it and then use the hot comb to make it more flat. So I'm just showing you guys the front bit, and the way it's layered is so nice. I feel like it's giving like a 90s type of vibe, or even like a glam look. So this is the end result, and it came out so good. I'm so happy. Like, it's just giving, like, it just looks so good. Like the curls, the way it looks like from the back, and like obviously you can see by the lace, it looks so nice and natural. The way it just blends into my skin, and like, it's just amazing. Like, I don't know what else to say about this wig. Like, it's so good. Guys, this is like a 24-inch wig, and it looks so nice and so full and so natural. Like, it's just a good amount of hair. Like, it just looks so good. This is the end of the video, and this is what the hair looks like, and I'm actually really happy and how accessible it really came out. It looks so natural, and yeah, like, I'm just really obsessed with the wig right now. Like, I don't know what else to say. Like, it's just perfect. I feel like you guys should definitely get these type of wigs if you're like a beginner, or you want something to just to throw on. You can have it just glueless, or like me, I just install. And again, as I said before, I kind of plucked it a little bit so it gives it more natural, even though it's really natural already. But I think it kind of helps my hairline, because my hairline is not too big or too short. It's kind of like in the middle, I guess. So it really blends really well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and go like and subscribe, and bye.